Hey, this is Annie Dickerson with Goodegg Investments. Ready to talk real estate? Let's get cracking. I wanted to talk to you today about real estate investment trusts, or REITs. Many of you have asked, why invest in a syndication when I could just invest in a REIT? The biggest difference is, with a REIT, you're investing in a company that holds a portfolio of properties. Each REIT specializes in a particular asset class, like apartments, office buildings, or shopping malls. So if you were to invest in a shopping mall REIT, that REIT would own a portfolio of shopping malls and work to manage and improve those assets. When you invest in a syndication, you have direct ownership of the underlying asset, which gives you a bit more control and transparency into the property and business plan. Now, there are some benefits with a REIT, namely that there's a very low minimum. Just like buying a stock or a mutual fund, there's a pretty low buy-in. And also your money is liquid. So at any time you can trade in or out of that fund or that REIT. Because REITs hold a variety of properties in different markets, investing in a REIT can also be great for diversification. The one main downside I would caution about is the tax benefit. In a syndication, you get the pass-through tax benefits of investing in that asset. In multifamily, one of the biggest benefits is depreciation. As a passive investor, you get all of those benefits of depreciation, and you can even use those to offset your ordinary income. On the flip side, for a REIT, any cash flow distributions count as ordinary income, and any depreciation benefit that you get gets taken out before your cash flow comes to you, so you don't get to write those off. So at a high level, those are some of the main differences between a real estate syndication and a real estate investment trust. Well, that's it for now. Until next time, have a sunny side up day.